Hi everybody, my name is Yavaş from PekinFili.net. Welcome to another session of Haskell programming language. Today we are gonna talk about list and a little about tuple, not very much. Let's find out together. Okay? It's from Dark Souls games. If you didn't play it yet, give it a try. You will thank me later. Okay. Open your VS Code or any editor you like and let's define our phrase list. Give it a name. I name it phrase list. I really have trivial dictation. Phrase list. Yes, phrase list is good for our phrase array list. A bracket and data. That's it. Click on type. I will cover this later, but by now, maybe it's not bad. I tell you how to spell this. You can read it like this. X has a type of integer. First list has a type of list of integer. Okay? We'll talk about this stuff later. Okay? By now, just remember how to read a simple variable type. Okay, let's load it and see what happened. Temp and print our first ever list. Okay, that's it. Very simple, yeah? Let's check a type. Let's check type of it. First list. Okay, that's it. As we define, it has type of list of integer. Okay, maybe some of you ask me what about strings. Okay, in other programming language we have a string, but in Haskell, if you try define something like this, Haskell yelling at you like this. Okay, we don't have anything like a string in Haskell, but we have list of character. Okay, if you really need to SIA, okay, you can simply use this way. Use it this way. S, I, and A. But, as I mentioned before, Haskell really care about simplicity. So, in Haskell, we can define list of character. Don't forget, we don't have anything such as a string in Haskell. Okay, we just have list of character. Okay, we can use double quotation to define a list of character. Okay, like this. Both of the same, both of them have same type, as you see. Okay, as you see, D has type of list of character. S has type of list of character. If you compare them, they are exactly the same. Okay, so we have list of character in Haskell. Okay, if you want extract, okay, one of character in Haskell, you can use it with index. Okay, index in Haskell start from 0, 0, 1, 2, or like them. Okay, so if you need I, simply give the index to Haskell. Okay, index is 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, real simple. Let's check our first array list and get a number from it. Okay, so what's about joining two lists? Okay, maybe you need add or first array list another list. Okay, you can use it this way. and hit enter. Give it a name and hit enter. Okay, so easy. That's work for because a string or list of character, we can use this method here. Okay, we simply can use or this method to add a list of character to another list of character. Okay, see, because a string in Haskell are just list of character. Okay, if you want prepend something to a list, okay, you can use this command. We want prepare, for example, a L to S. Okay, you can use it. You can. Sorry. Why everything is go wrong? What happened? S is. What happened to S? I don't know really. Let's define another S. /S. Okay. Give it a character. Okay. What happened to? Okay, I don't know really what happened here. Okay, so you can prepend something to a list with this method. Or first list, no, first list. Okay, let's prepend a 9 to it. Okay. In Haskell, lists are homogeneous. Okay, what does that mean? You can put two different object type in one list. Okay, in a list. Okay, if you really want to do that, you can use tuple. Okay, we cover tuple later, but for now you can use tuple parentheses beside bracket to define tuple support multi-type. Okay, you can use it if you really like to have multi-type in Haskell. Okay, is there anything I need to share with you? Yes, it is. Okay, you can see variable in Haskell as a function. You can see almost anything, not everything, but almost anything in Haskell as a function. For example, x is a function, okay, without any input, but return you a number. Okay, first list is a function, take anything from you without any input, but return a list of integer. Okay, so see almost anything in Haskell as a function. It's really help you to feel how Haskell really work. Okay, and that's it. Let me finish this session. Okay, there is a lot of operation we can use with list or tuple. Okay, we will cover them later. There is a lot of them. Okay, by now I just want to define and show you how to define a list with simple operation. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friend. Take care of yourself until we meet again.